How to easily deposit a check on Navy Federal application just on your device on your mobile phone or application on your iPhone. Let's start this video with some of the genuine steps I have for you. Depositing a check using the Navy Federal app is convenient and straightforward. Here is a step-by-step guide. First is sign in. Open the app on your smartphone and sign in using your username and password. Navigate to the deposit section. From the bottom navigation bar, select deposits. Enroll and accept terms and conditions. Choose the enroll and deposit section. Then read and accept the terms condition. Next, select the account where you would like to deposit the money and enter the necessary details from the check such as amount and follow the instructions to capture image of the front and the back. Sixth step is simply confirm and submit. Confirm the check is signed by all payees and has no for mobile deposit at NFC written on the back. Review the information and submit the deposit. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel to it.